Hey Spices! So my husband just picked up steak from the store, and so we are going to be cooking it in the air fryer today. Cooking steak in the air fryer keeps your steak really nice and juicy, plus it's really easy to make in the air fryer. So let's go spice things up. All right, so I'm going to preheat it to 400 and just for 5 minutes. All right, Spices, so we have our steaks here and it is time to season them. So we are gonna season them with both of these seasonings. This is a chili powder and this is a French herb sea salt. I got them at FreshJax. I will link a 15% off coupon code below in the description box. Now we are gonna turn them over and do the same thing. All right, so all the excess, just try to get on the sides. And now I'm gonna just kind of let them sit in the seasoning while I preheat the air fryer. All right, so it is done preheating. So we are going to spray the pan with some cooking spray. And now we are just gonna put our steaks on our pan and close it up. So we wanna cook it at 400 degrees and we wanna cook it for 7 minutes. All right, so we're gonna open it up. These are looking pretty good. So now we're gonna turn them over. All right, now put them back in. Okay, so we're gonna cook it at 400 degrees for 6 minutes. All right, time to take a look. Ooh, look at these babies. Okay, so time to take the steak out and test it for you. You can see there are all these beautiful juices on there. You wanna let it sit for a little bit so all the juices kind of stay in the steak. All right, so you can already see all the juices. So you know how juicy it is. So I'm gonna cut it in half. So if you can see, it's kind of medium well done. That's how a lot of my family members like it. If of course you like yours really rare, you do not have to turn them over and put it in for longer. It would have been done at the 7 minutes in the first place. I like mine cooked a little bit more. Also, if you have super big steaks, sometimes they take longer. If you have it with bone, same thing. But this is just how we like it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.